Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start a practice worksheet with you which we are having the topic fraction. So let's get start the video. So the very first question is fraction means. What is the meaning of fraction? We know fraction means a part of a whole. That means if a whole is divided into four equal parts, each part is called its fraction. So our answer is equal parts of an object or group. Then question number 2. Take the correct fraction for the given picture. Here the picture is divided into 7 equal parts and the shaded part is 3. So before we know that denominator is total number of equal parts the whole divided into, and that is 7 here, and numerator is the shaded part given in the picture and the shaded part is 3. So the fraction is 3 by 7, which is option A. Then moving to question number 3. Find the missing denominator 3 by 5, that is 3 by 5, and the second fraction's numerator 12, 5 and denominator is missing. So simply we have to divide 12 with 3. 12 with 3. 3 4 ja 12. And we have to multiply for the quotient with 5. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So our answer is 20. The missing denominator is 20, which is option A. Simply we have to divide the numerator of the second fraction with the first fraction's numerator and multiply the quotient with the denominator of first fraction. Then the next number, which picture is showing the fraction 2 by 8? Here in the picture A, the circle is divided into 8 equal parts. So the denominator is 8 here and the shaded part is 2. So numerator is 8. So this fraction is 2 by 8, which is our answer. So here A is the correct option. Then moving to the next question. Take the greatest one. Here all the fractions denominators are same but numerators are different. That means they are like fraction. So in the case of like fraction, we have to only compare the numerator. The greater the numerator, the greater is the fraction, and the less the numerator, the small is the fraction. So here the numerator is 9 is greater than 8, and 8 is greater than 6 and 6 is greater than 3. So here the fraction 9 by 12 is the greatest one, which is our option A. Let's see this number. The question is division numeral for 11 by 18 is. Division numeral means we have to simply divide 11 8, which is option. Then we will solve the question. Fraction with the numerator 36 and denominator 9. So our numerator is 36 and denominator is 9, and thus fraction is 36 by 9, which is our option A. Then the given question is choose and write the fraction for the given division numeral 60 divided 5, that is 60 divided by 15. This is the option A. Then let's see another question. Discover the pattern and write the next three fractions 3 by 5, 6 by 10, 9 by 15. That means the given fractions are 3 by 5, then 6 by 10 and 9 by 15. And we have to find the next three fractions of the same pattern. Here 3 by 3, 6. The difference is 3, and 6 to 9 also the difference is 3. In the case of denominator 5 to 10 the difference is 5 and also 10 to 15 difference is 5. So we know that the numerator's difference is 3 and the difference between the denominator is 5. Similarly, it will be 9 plus 3, 12, 15 plus 5, 20. Similarly, it will be 15 by 25 and it will be 18 by 30. So, our fractions are 12 by 20, 15 by 25, 18 by 30, and which is option. Then take the fraction for 3/4. 3/4 means the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 4. So it is also option A. Then the next question, take the numerator for the given fraction 16 by 30. The given fraction is 16 by 30 and we know that it is numerator and it is denominator. So here the numerator is 16, which is also option A. Then the next page, take the fraction which is equivalent to 1 by 2. The fraction is 1 by 2 and here the given options are 2 by 4, 3 by 9 and 6 by 9. So you have to check all the options. Equivalent fraction means we know that you have to multiply same number with the numerator and the denominator also. So you have to check first the first option, 1 into 2 by 2 into 2 is equal to 2 by 4. So here 2 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Let's check 3 by 9. 1 into 3 by 2 into 3 is equal to 3 by 6. But here the given option is 3 by 9. So it is not equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Similarly, 6 by 9 is not an equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Take the correct word form for the fraction 1 by 3. The given fraction is 1 by 3 and we have to write it as 1/3. Then take the fraction for 3 mangoes out of 5 fruits. That means there is a basket and there are 5 fruits and out of them there are 3 are mangoes. That means there are 5 is the denominator and 3 mangoes out of 5 fruits. That means 3 is the numerator and the fraction is 3 by 5. The next page, choose the correct sign and tick the correct one. The fractions are 5 by 21 and 2 by 21. Here the denominator are same, so we have to only compare their numerators. And here 5 is greater than 2, so also this fraction 5 by 21 is greater than 2 by 21. So for the given space, the sign is, find the sum of 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. 1 by 7 sum means we have to add them. Then with 3 by 7 is equal to, the denominator will remain same 7. Then we have to simply add the numerators. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 by 7. The equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 with denominator 20. So the fraction is 3 by 4 and the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 is 20, but the numerator is missing. So you have to find the numerator, the missing numerator. Simply, as you know, you have to simply divide 8. 4 5s are 20. Then 0. And simply we have to multiply 5 with 3. That is 15. And the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 is 15 by 20. Then the next question. Rani reads 1 by 6 of a book in the morning. She reads 4 by 6 of the book in the afternoon. What fraction of the book does she read? That means a book as a whole and it has 6 pages. Then Rani reads in the morning 1 by 6 part. Then she reads 4 by 6 of the book in the afternoon. So in this case, in this question, we have to simply add the fraction 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6 is equal to, denominator will remain same, then 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 by 6. So she reads 5 by 6 of the book in this day. Then the next number. The fraction for unshaded part of the given object. Here the object divided into 4 equal parts. That means the denominator is 4 and the shaded part is 3. But the unshaded part, the question asked us about the unshaded part. So unshaded part is 1. So the numerator is 1. So our answer is 1 by 4. Then the next question. Take the denominator for the given fraction 8 by 24. 18 by 24. Here 18 is numerator and 24 is denominator. So our answer is 24. It's very simple. Moving to the next question. Raj has 26 toffees. He gave one half to his friend. How many toffees did he give to his friend? So here Raj has 26 toffees and he gave one half. That means 1 by 2 of 26 to his friend. So that means 1 by 2 of 26. Here of means we have to multiply it. That is 1 by 2 into 26 is equal to 26 by 2. If we divide 26 with 2, then the answer is 13. Simply we have to divide 26 with 2. The answer is 13 also. So this is option A. Let's see the number. Find and take the correct answer for 2 by 3 of 9. This question is also like that. 2 by 3 of 9. That means 2 by 3 into 9 because of means multiply. Then 2 into 9 divided by 3 is equal to 2 into 9 is equal to 18 divided by 3. Then if we divide 18 with 3, then 3 6 are 18 is equal to 6. So the answer is 6. Here the given question is find the sum of 1 by 8 and 3 by 8. That is 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. The denominator will remain same. Then we have to add only their numerators. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 by 8. Then write the fraction for unshaded parts of the given picture. Here the whole is divided into 6 equal parts. So the denominator is 6 and unshaded part there is only one shaded part and the unshaded part is 5. So the fraction for the unshaded part is 5 by 6. Then the number. I have done 1/3 of my homework. That means 1/3, 1 by 3. What fraction is left to be done? That means homework is divided into 3 equal parts. because 3 is the denominator. Then I have done 1 parts and the remaining is 2 by 3. Then 9 by 15 minus dash is equal to 5 by 15. Simply we have to subtract 9 by 15 minus 5 by 15. We have to subtract 5 by 15 from 9 by 15 is equal to 15. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 by 15. Then 1 by 7 plus dash is equal to 5 by 7. In this case, we have to also subtract 1 by 7 from 5 by 7. That is 5 by 7 minus 1 by 7. The denominator is 7. Then 5 minus 1. Like addition, we have to subtract the numerators only. Is equal to 4 by 7. Here option I. Then the last number. Write the fraction for shaded part of the given picture. Here the picture is divided into 9 equal parts. So the denominator is 9 and we have to find the fraction for shaded part. Here the shaded part is 5. So the numerator is 5 and the fraction is 5 by 9. So students, we solved all the questions of today. And if you like my videos, please like, share and comment us. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.